On our way to Flagler Beach, you can see the old pier right there. It's going to be built and open in 2026. We're on our way just a little bit north of there to do some shark fishing, so stay tuned. All right, we're out on Flagler Beach. We're going to try to do some shark fishing, see how it goes. I'm not sure. I'm going to throw some other lines out there too to see what we get, but we're just out here going to enjoy. We'll see what happens. I'm going to bring the drone out, but right now I'm going to get set up with the regular fishing poles that I'm not going to use for drone fishing, and then we'll get going, so stay tuned. All right, got a first line in the water. It's shallow, but we'll see. Maybe we'll get something. All right, putting this thing together. Gotta make sure everything is connected good. Then the next challenge is gonna be turning it on, make sure everything's locked, GPS, everything. I'm gonna make sure that this guy is on tight. Okay, there we go. These are my floats right here, so if it actually goes in the water, it will float. There you go. Getting ready, putting on the propellers. Okay, I'm gonna use a Stingray we caught a while ago. I'm gonna put the Stingray on, take it out. Actually, I don't know if I should do it in half, but I'm gonna use it the whole thing. We'll see what happens, hopefully. So you can see me struggling here, trying to get the Stingray on the hook. I'm pulling it through. I'm gonna thread it through. I don't know if that's the correct way to do it. Stingray skin is pretty tough. I shouldn't have to do it. But if you know of a better way to actually put this on, let me know. Maybe I should have cut it in half. And the other thing, these circle hooks, they're a pain in the butt as far as getting the hook on, because you can see that little lip at the end it's hooked back in, so it's really hard to get it around something and get it in. But finally I did, but I don't know if that's the correct way. So like I said, if you know of a better way, just let me know, please. Got a lock. I'm gonna need help. I gotta put this. Okay, put that loop right in there.
Right here?
Yeah, got it?
Yeah.
Is it closed? Alright. Okay, we got locked. It's good. We're waiting for people to pass so we can get this going. Little nervous, but we'll see. Always nervous taking drone out over water, but. So here it goes, up in the air. To be honest, I need another person. You got a person filming, and I'm trying to take it up in the air, and I got my pole on the line. It's kind of hard to do all of it at once and try to concentrate on what you're doing, right? Because you're trying to multitask and not very good at that. So I take it up, and I get near the pole just to make sure that the line is not, the drag is not too tight on it, to loosen it up a little bit. And just taking it out slowly. I didn't take it up too high, I'm just taking it a little bit at a time. Because I'm nervous from the last time. Now, the last time I did this, I didn't have a problem. But as you know, if you saw my other video where I lost the DJI drone, you know, I'm just a little bit nervous and I try to concentrate on everything. You saw the bait drop, I'm bringing it back. At least this has a go home feature, so it'll just come back. You just flip it on and it'll come back by itself. But then I turn it on manual to land it. And here I am landing it. And once it gets down, it's a little difficult. So I'm trying to get it over the landing pad and not the sand. Now it will kick up sand because the propellers are large enough. But we got it down. All right, we got it down. I got to fix my pole right now to make sure it's stuck. Okay, hopefully the line is hooked into the sand with the big weight, with the, whatever you're gonna call it, the spider weight. Hopefully it's hooked in, otherwise it'll shift off to the left and I'll have to do it again. But we'll see what happens. So far it's staying straight, which is good, is what I want. So hopefully it'll stay that way. Just gonna put some finger mullet on these guys, send them out. But I'm gonna put a spider on this guy too, so I can keep it in one place, hopefully. So we got these finger mullet down in Bonita Beach, and I got a bunch of them. I just brought some, I'll use some. We'll see how it goes. Pretty good size. We got a bunch of them too. Probably about, I would say, 75 pounds worth. That looks like it's staying in one place. I'll get another one out. We'll get going. Then it's just a waiting game.
Well, see, bring that. It was just here. Wow, I see. Wow. Ah, wow, it's a lot. Wow. Cool. Look, it's a lot. Woo! Bucket.
You guys see him?
I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, they're jumping. Look, it's jumping. Wow, you got it. Ow. Didn't open. Oh yeah, you have. Still you have. Oh yeah, jumping. Look, right here. Wow. Oh wow. Wow. Look. It's sandy. Wow. Woo.
I'm still practicing with the net. I need to get better at it. I can't pancake it all the time. But I like this method of throwing it. But this time I threw it and the loop came off my arm. I got to get something to keep it on my arm a little bit better. It's a good thing it was just right here instead of like on a pier or something like that. So I just need to get better to keep it on my arm.
Now we can sell bait fish.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice. You can put here, maybe. Look.
All right, so I had a big hit on the big pole, and it just took my leader, which is steel leader, big hook. I think maybe my tail whip wasn't long enough, but it just took the line, so I gotta fix it. It's too dark to fix it right now, and I didn't bring a bigger light. But instead we had some mullet running, so I got, I don't know, about 50 pounds worth of mullet. So we didn't leave empty-handed. So I got more bait for later. I wish I had stingray for more shark, but we'll come back out here to try more shark later. We did see a shark running close to shore, but again, I lost and my other poles don't have a metal lead on it. So until next time, good night.